Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of my Minecraft Survival series. As you can see behind me, I made a bit of a wheat field, and also, I'm gonna have to avoid spoilers here, I have a carrot field which is currently empty, and I'll give you a little preview right there on the left side of the screen. I already built a barn. Unfortunately, I did not record any audio over my initial intro, so I had to do it again, and I'd already built the barn. It was a whole thing. But, well, while we're talking about the barn anyway, let's get straight into building this thing, shall we? As you can see, the barn has been built. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside real quick. It's nothing much yet. I'm going to explain to you my plans for this thing and what's going to be in it and where it's going to be and all. So, what I have envisioned is there's storage. Storage is going to be over here. There's going to be a lot of chests over there. What I want over here is my cow farm. It's going to be either in the corner or over there. And in this little pen here, I'm just going to have sheep walking around to shear. And a wandering trader. Hi. What do you have to offer today? Do you want to come in? No? Do you want to come in? There we go. Take your llamas with you. We have a wandering trader, everybody. Oh, I was not expecting this today. We have Jevin, we have Tinfoil Chef, we have Doc, and then we have some interesting blocks, actually. Let me get some of those. Alright, we've got the emeralds, as you can see. And let's trade with this guy. Oh, I forgot to get the block. That's fine, I'll trade the heads first. Hi. Hi, I can hear you. Yep, no, don't walk away from me. I want to trade with you. Hi, yes, hi. I want your Jevin head. I want your Tinfoil Chef head. What did I... Oh, whatever. And I want your Dock head. Alright, now what do I need to get? I need to get andesite. Ooh, I can get a dispenser. And dark oak. Emerald block. I can make an emerald block, I think. I can definitely make an emerald block. Okay, what we need... Ooh, we can also make a flashing table. Alright. So, andesite, dispenser, dark oak, emerald block, fletching table. Got it. Hello, good sir, I'm back. I think I'm just gonna keep him. Or I'm gonna keep his llamas anyway. I think. I don't know. Good sir, hello. I come back with blocks. Wanna trade this one? We'll wanna trade. It's a shame I don't have silk touch yet. We'll wanna trade this. We'll wanna trade that. We'll wanna trade. Oh, the emerald block. Right. Do we still have enough emeralds for that? We do. Lovely. I'll go ahead and make an emerald block. Emerald block, emerald block, emerald block. I think that's in here. Emerald block. There we are. And with 4 emeralds left. Good. This was expensive. I really need to set myself up with some sort of emerald generator, villager trader machine thing. The emerald block. There we go. Thank you for your service. Now you are going to die. I think my sword's gonna break over this. Thank you. Are you just gonna spit on me now? Is that just what you're gonna do? Ah, frick. I think my sword's gonna break over this. It did. Continuing with my pickaxe. There we go. Leather and head. Leather and head. Beautiful. Now let's sort this out. Let's sort this out. This is not a full chest. We can put some things in here. With the rest of our mini blocks. Yeah, the heads can go over there. It's fine. Except for the player heads. We have a spot for the player heads. This llama can go over here. Oh wow, we have another empty chest. Give me that. Thank you very much. Alright, the player heads get their special spot. I didn't want to wear the Jevin head. I wanted to place the heads. So we have TFC, and we have Doc, and then we're having Jevin over there. The wall of heads is filling up. Let's do a quick round. Cupfan 101, yes. Cupfan 135. Full Symmetry. Joe Hills. Impulses V. Python GB. Mumbo Jumbo. Tango Tech. Iskal 85. XB Crafted. Good Times with Scar. Tinfoil Chef. Doc M77. iJevin. That's the heads we have. Alright, you might be wondering what is on the screen right now, and what is on the screen right now is a list of mini blocks I got from a video by Azumavoid. The link to that video shall be in the description. And on this list we can see which mini blocks we still have to get, the ones who are not crossed out, and the ones we already have, the ones who are crossed out. And as you can see, we have quite a way to go. But my goal, or one of my goals for this survival series, is to get all of the mini blocks, and that's including the hermit heads. This pen is looking a little empty, and I want to get sheep in here, because sheep make wool, and wool makes beds, and beds stand equal to defeating the Ender Dragon and Netherite. So, we need sheep. Alright, quick interruption. I was in the process of getting sheep, and I come back home, and I find another wandering trader. So let's see what he has to offer. We have, ooh, okay, that's one extra hermit head. Just one, because we already have XB and Cub. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, barrels. I don't have those yet. Ooh, I don't have jungle planks. I'm gonna go get those. I think I can make bone blocks. I can make TNT. This is actually not too bad. I'm gonna grab all the blocks I need to trade with this guy, and then I'll be back with you. Alright, I traded with the villager, and as you can see we now have Biffert 2001 added to the collection. And also, if you look at my inventory, we have some more player heads. I went to find some jungle planks, or some jungle wood, and I found some magma in the sea. So I got that as well. And as you can see, I found some more mini blocks which we have to add to our list. So let's just put everything we haven't crossed off our list yet in our inventory and go and do that. Alright, as you can see, all the sheeps are bred up. And now we have a load of sheep. So whenever we need a load of wool, we can share them. Or whenever we need a load of food. No, these sheep are not meant for food. These sheep are primarily or only meant for their wool, so that we can get beds, get netherite, and destroy the Ender Dragon. Hi guys, as you can see, I now have some diamond tools, and if we go downstairs real quick, you will notice that we now have a full set of diamond armor and a full set of diamond tools. We also went to the Nether. I did a mining stream and I got some diamonds. I continued after that stream because we didn't have enough. But let me show you my Nether portal. It's not over here. It's over there. And let's show you guys my nether spawn real quick. So this is my nether spawn. It's a hole. It's nothing much. There's a skeleton over there. I'm gonna kill that real quick. I am on iron armor, by the way. Just actually, I should have brought food. Okay, thank you. Alright. I'm gonna go back soon. Because of health reasons. But let me show you my my nether spawn. I had a bit of an accident there. We don't really talk about that. We also had an accident here. I went up here. But, well, that's not really possible anymore. So, we're going to have to find another way to get up. But, this is where we went up. There's a basalt delta over there. And, we did some XP mining in the nether with quartz. And, we now have 30 levels. And, I explained in a video, which I recorded 3 times, and did it incorrectly 3 times, that the next thing that I am going to be working on is a villager trading hall, because now we have all of our good tools and we don't want to lose those, but I will want to get as much beds as possible to get netherite and all that. But another thing that I really want to do is start killing the ender dragon, and that means that I'm gonna go ahead and not sleep for some nights, and get some ender pearls, and find a nether fortress, and get blaze rods, and get an eye of ender, or multiple ones, and go to the end, and slay the ender dragon. But I will want some enchanted diamond armor for that, because I am not good at this game at all. So, see you next episode, and hope you enjoyed.